Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. I am sharing a crucial information with you all in this video. Cybersecurity, study of defense. Now each and everyone is connected with the internet, and of course the internet is not a safe network. It is extremely dangerous network. Lot of unwanted things out there. When you want to protect yourself and others from those unwanted threats and attacks, it becomes essential to learn the cybersecurity. Many of you might have interest in learning hacking, cybersecurity, penetration testing, but you may not have any idea from where to start the learning. If you falls in that category, then this video is totally suits for you. Watch out this video till the end. I'll give you some free solutions to start your cybersecurity career. A new certification in the market, not uh, not a fresh certification. It's been a couple of years, I believe, since they introduced the certification, and the certification is ELAN Security Junior Penetration Tester. Now, many cyber experts suggest this certification as a starting point. When you get into the ELAN Security website, you will be able to see the list of certifications they offer. Among these certifications, the EJPT certification is the entry level and the basic certification. It cost around 200 US dollars excluding the taxes. When you look out these EJPT certifications, you will be able to understand what are the topics you will be learning in this, and it gives some brief information about the certification, and also you can check out the other certification information. In recent times, the INE IT training firm took over the ELAN security. From then, it offers the training for that ELAN security certifications. For EJPT particularly, you will be able to earn a free certification training. You don't need to bother from where I should get trained to prepare the certification. It offers a free certification. It is totally free. Just follow the video. You will be able to understand how to start it. First of all, hit the INE page and click the free starter pass. Sign up yourself. So it is totally free. Create your account and sign in. Now I am in the profile. When you scroll down, you will be able to see a course called Penetration Testing Student. Click that. Now I successfully signed in. I'm in the page. When you see the cybersecurity, you will show the learning path, the course Penetration Testing Student, and it prepares you for EJPT certification, and it approximately takes 38 hours to complete. Let's get in. Yeah, this is the course, totally free. Difficulty level is novice, and there are 3 sections. Let's walk through the contents of this course. First section is penetration testing prerequisites. Before you start your pen testing career, you must know about these concepts. It's gonna list some concepts you must aware about this. You can see it shows cryptography, VPN, Wireshark, HTTP sniffing, the video that I made earlier on my YouTube channel, and you can see the icons here. When you keep the cursor on this icon, it shows these are the slides, and this is the video. Slide course is available. Also, the video format of the course is available, and you can also lab what you learned. This is the lab. You can simply click this, see the details, and you can spin up the lab and you can work. So the learning will be extremely effective. And when you come the networking part, it will it will teach you the some of the mandatory networking concepts that you need to know before starting your pen testing career. And there are 2 labs available here. And the next part is web applications. It will explain you about the web application and the application called Burp Suite. Let's see the second one. Penetration testings, preliminary skills and programming. Actually, the second part teach you the programming concepts. To become a penetration tester, it is not mandatory to know the programming, but it is highly recommended. If you don't know this, then you will be a script kiddie, obviously. Then this is the programming introduction, all 4 slides. C++ it teaches, then Python, a crucial programming language to be learned, and command line scripting. Actually, this course is extremely worth to take. And the last and final part is penetration testing basics. When you begin this, it will take around 16 hours to complete the course overview, the information gathering topics. It explains you about Dirbuster, cross-site scripting attacks, SQL injection attacks, and some of the system attacks techniques, hash cracking, John the Ripper, hashcat, brute forcing the passwords, org poisoning. I already made a video on this topic, and Metasploit framework. And the last part is very interesting. You can see the 3 labs here: black box penetration testing 1, 2, and 3. These are the 3 penetration testing labs available. You will be able to work out this lab before you are taking the INE exam, EJPT exam. It will be very helpful for you. Previously, I ran a poll on my Instagram account about this EJPT certification. Most of them suggested to take this ELAN security penetration testing student course to get pass in the EJPT exam. So this certification, I mean this study is more than sufficient to take the exam. You can refer the TryHackMe, few of the TryHackMe exercises. It will be helpful for you. And yeah, that's all I had to say. That's all I've got. I hope you really enjoyed this video. You learned something new from this video and you have some takeover. If you really enjoyed this, hit the like button and consider subscribing my channel. You can also share this video among your friends. Yeah, I'll catch you up with another exciting video next time. Until then, I'm signing off. Thank you all. Bye.